Hello everyone and welcome to a quick YouTube tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open YouTube. And as we can see, YouTube is currently in light mode. To turn on dark mode on YouTube, I click on my profile picture at the top right and then on Appearance. Here I now have three options. Device theme sets YouTube to the same settings as Windows. This can be useful if I want to set all websites centrally in one place and often want to switch from light mode to dark mode. We can also set the light mode independently of this. And of course, we can also find the setting for dark mode here. If I click on this, YouTube is now displayed in dark mode. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.